All right, got a package today, and let's open it up to see what it is. So I got custom emblems made by JMGraphikx on Instagram. JMGraphikx. I'll also put their Instagram link right here. Yes, check them out. I'm having a panel replaced because I have some rust. So I'm gonna put it on my good panel on the right side. I can't do both right now, so I'll do the other one when the panel's done. I have emblems on there now. I'll show you. They're kind of wearing out. I got them on Amazon a few years back, probably 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And they're wearing out. They weren't the best quality, but these things are pretty sweet. Check these out. So I wanted like a RAM logo, and he whipped me up these. Look at that thing, man. Sweet. Let me put it on a piece of paper so you can see it better. My truck is white, so it's gonna look sweet when it's on there. But there it is. I got the shiny black with the reflective red eye. Okay, I'm gonna try picking it up so you can try to see the reflection, because it's really cool. Like at night you'll see it when light shines on it, so that'll be cool, but let me now you can't see it. You can see it with your naked eye, you can't see it in the camera. But it's reflective red, it's really cool. You'll be able to see it at night, like I said, and lights come across it. It looks sweet, but here they are. He sent me, we went over it a couple times, made some tweaks for my liking. That's what's great about Jorge over there. You know, he'll keep tweaking it until you like it, you know what I mean? And these came out sweet. I can't wait to slap these on the truck. I've been dying for new emblems too, you know what I mean? I got the ones out there that are, yeah, I'll show you in a second, the 345s. They discontinued making them on Amazon for some reason. But these are them. And you can pick any size you want. I think I went with 3-inch with these, or 3 1/4. You can make them 3 1/2, 4 inches, 5, whatever size you want. I mean, they're beautiful. They're sweet. They're really nice. They really are nice. And what's cool in the back, he's got 3M tape on there. That's gonna be fun peeling that off, but should be pretty easy. Tweezers or a knife, a razor blade. Peel it off, and there they are, man. Let me pull out the other one. Oh, cool, he gave me a little RAM logo too. This is the protective side, it's probably shiny. I'll probably stick that on my tailgate at the bottom. That's cool. Here's the other one. They're just sweet, man. You know what I mean? Look at them. They look awesome. He does a lot of different designs too. I'll post some photos at the end of this video just to show you what he does of the things he's done. And you can visit him on Instagram as well. These things are sweet. Came with a sweet sticker too. Let me go outside. I'm gonna take off that, I'm gonna take off the old, what's up, buddy? What are you doing? Yeah, take off the old badge. See, it's getting some, it's like fading really, really bad. And I'm just sick and tired of it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna pop this off. I have a video that shows me removing these. I like to use a screwdriver and just slowly pull them off. Some guys use fishing line, but that's a totally separate video. I do have a video out of removing badges. Let me pop this off, clean it, and I'll install the new badge from JMGraphikx. Yeah, buddy, there you go. All right, I'll put a link for the video for debadging in this description, just in case you wondering how I did it. Denatured alcohol is your friend. All right, I want to go get some rubbing alcohol and just clean that real quick, because rubbing alcohol is the, you know, really douches it, so you can get that emblem on there. All right, back to the badges. I didn't have any rubbing alcohol, so I used dish detergent, dish soap, you know what I mean? That strips the waxes and cleans the surface real good, because you don't want, you know, when you're sticking these on, you don't want any waxes, you want it just pure cured paint, and it sticks better and it'll stay on longer. the cleaner the surface is. And just a word of advice, I don't care what anybody tells you, do not, I repeat, do not use acetone or finger polish remover. Just don't. Just trust me. I did when I was 16 years old on my F-250, thinking I knew what I was doing. And my rag started turning blue because my truck was blue. Not a good day. Had to get it repainted. Felt so bad too. I was like, what am I doing? I have no idea what I'm doing. That's cool, man. I'm gonna put that on the my tailgate. That's sick. Little shiny Ram emblem. Thanks, Jorge. Gracias, amigo. Sweet. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go outside and take this. I'm gonna position it to where I want it. And I got some blue tape out there. I'm gonna position where I want it. Mark it, and then, you know, it's gonna take a few minutes to take this off carefully, the sticky stuff. And when I come back, I'll remember exactly where it's going. That's gonna look sick, dude. Look at that. I gotta find a spot, good spot for it. But yeah, it's gonna look sick. These things are awesome. Yeah, you can see here you go. See it? You can see the reflective, the eyeball, the eye. See that? So at night, you know, when it's dark and someone drives by, that'll reflect. Or if light bounces off of it. All right, let me figure out, I can't do this with the camera, so let me figure out where this is going. And I'll turn the camera back on. All right, I got some blue tape on there. I'm just marking it out exactly where I want it. I got the angle of the snout, how I want it. So that's where it's going. Now I'm gonna start taking this off, the 3M double-sided tape. Sweet. That was the most challenging part. That's the part I was a little sketchy about, but I did it. I'm gonna go stick it where my markers are with the blue tape. So I think I got it where I want it. You know, you can move this so it's more of a bolder looking, you know, pissed off Ram, where you can kind of lean it back, but I think I'm gonna keep it right where I thought I was gonna do it. Because once this sticks, that's it. Sure it's all pat down, we're good. I'll tell you, it's delicate, but once that thing's stuck on, man, it's very, very strong. It's part of the panel. Oh, sweet. All right, I'm gonna take this blue tape off. There it is, man. I just washed my truck before we went to the track this morning, and it rained, so it's all dirty, but I put the emblem right in the tailgate. Thought that looked pretty cool. All right, guys, check out JMGraphikx. I'll leave the link in the description for his Instagram account. You can message him and start talking to him if you want to do some custom badges. Jorge, thank you, man. These things are pretty damn sweet, man. I love it. Definitely gonna turn heads. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.